Good morning, everyone. We are learning about today a new lesson. That's the difference between a town people and the country people. Okay, that's the today lesson, and the lesson name was the town mouse and the country mouse. Okay. One day, town mouse was very unhealthy. So town mouse doctor has said to go to the various country. Okay. Then town mouse has a cousin and his name was country mouse. Okay. When town mouse was offered to a country mouse to, I should have to come to your house. Then country mouse also offered, okay, you always be welcome. Okay. The town mouse has wrote a letter to the country mouse that we should have to read right now. Dear cousin, I have been ill with a cough and my daughter feels I need a holiday. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply with warm regards. Yours affectionately, Town Mouse. Okay, Town Mouse was gave a letter to the country mouse and he offered to come to the village. Receiving the invitation from the country house, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. Okay, after receiving the invitation of the country house from the town house, again the country house has replied to a town mouse, you can always be welcome. Then town mouse have packed all her clothes and everything, and he got on the train and sit on the train, and it was very hot because of a sunny. At the villages, in the villages, it will be very hot. I wish there was an air conditioning coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. Country mouse has said to the town mouse that is it available also an air conditioning coach? But town mouse has replied there is no air conditioning coach because for going to a villages there will be no AC coaches, only trains will be available and it in a normal way. So Thomas was very thirsty. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Oh cousin, the town mouse said, as soon as he got off the train was dreadful. I feel terrible, hot and thirsty. Terrible means it is very high. And high. Or terrible means he cannot wait. Because if when we feel very hot, we should want to drink any water. So town mouse has asked country mouse to, I want some water. But country mouse said, I will give you somewhat of sugar as in a bit. Okay, then town mouse has replied, I want any orange juice or an ice cold lemonade. But country mouse said, they will be not available here. Only just a sugar. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look around for some coconut water if you like. But country mouse said, and here it will be available also a coconut water. So, if you like it, I will give you somewhat of coconut water. Coconut water, asked the town mouse in the horror. Don't you have any oranges or lemonade? I am afraid not, replied his cousin. But I found a very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. Root or sugar cane, the town mouse exclaimed, but I don't eat raw food like that. Town mouse has said to the country mouse, I don't eat a raw food because the sugar cane is a raw item. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. The country mouse said, here it is not available any orange juices or anything or in any ice cold food. It is only available in a raw sugar. Here only available only a raw sugar. So its taste was good, but so you like it, just taste it. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. Nibbled means, what is meant by nibbled? Nibbled means he just adjusted and eat the food. Okay? The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugarcane and then said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, "There are you. You can sleep there." Okay, in the country mouse showed the town mouse to sleep at the end of the corner. Okay, means at the down on the ground. Asked the town mouse, "Do I have to sleep on the ground?" "Yes, this is how we sleep in the country," his cousin answered. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. "Cousin," he called out. "Yes, what is it?" the country mouse asked. "Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Here are the radios, and where are the radios and the television? Where are the lights?" Because in the town there are so many of lights, car sound and a lorry sound. Sometimes we will hear also an aeroplane sound. But here town mouse was missing all the sounds and all the lights. When we at the night when we go up to the upstairs at the house, then you can look around all the lights. But in the country, at the time of 7, every light will be stopped. So town mouse was missing it. "This is how it is in the country," his cousin replied. "It is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district." "Who is it?" "The country is a strange place," said the town mouse. But he said to himself, "I don't think I like this place." Town mouse was thinking that I don't like this place at all, because they did not available any food that he liked the town mouse. But the country mouse was only offering only sugar cane. "We are sure to find something there," he said, "a nice piece of fruit or a tender bit of sugar cane." In the next morning also, town mouse was expected if country mouse will give somewhat of expected food. But again country mouse does not available any type of food, and country mouse was also taken to the town mouse at one place, and there is a piece of sugar bit. A few days later, but the town mouse is enough. That "Thank you, cousin," he said, "but I think I will catch the next train home to go to home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something." Town mouse have an escape, that he was thinking how I should have to go from here. So town mouse has a reason that I have already forgotten one thing before. So country mouse also, "Okay, you can go and catch the next train." A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin the town mouse. Here is the letter. Now country mouse was coming to the town mouse. How will country mouse will stay at town mouse? Now we will learn. Okay? And country mouse also wrote to a town mouse a letter. "My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right." Because town mouse has came to set the country mouse. Is it right or wrong? Because town mouse health was not at all good, so he offered to come to the country. So now country mouse was very worried about a town mouse because of his health. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is his telegram. Or enjoyed. Come soon, town mouse. You are always welcome and come soon as you possible. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and lights. He was missing in the country, but he was worried in the town. because country mouse does not listen any sounds or lights, but town mouse was missing in the country, but country mouse was worried about him in the town. Okay. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. That is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made my headache. He said, could I have some water to drink? Because all the sounds and the noises and the lights, country mouse does not like in the town. But so he worried about it, and how should I want to live here? I don't like it. Please give me some water. Then town mouse taken to his room, and country mouse, why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Shiva, town mouse was asking to country mouse, there is so many lemonades, orange juices. Which one do you want? Because there are various foods available in the town, but country mouse wants somewhat of, just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. You can eat as much as you like. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. In the cupboard, there are so many food items. Plenty of food items. You can eat. You can feel free and you can eat how much you can. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. There was a bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder, and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. Shh, whispered the town mouse. Wait. Someone was opening the cupboard. Then cupboard sound was getting very high sound. So country mouse and the town mouse was very worried. Who was coming inside and who was taking the fruits and slices. And town mouse was telling to country mouse to run and go back and to go back. But country mouse was not getting a low heartbeat, and heartbeat was very fast to the country mouse. Because what is it? What happening here? Why we are escaping from that? When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. After again closing the door, the town mouse again come to the where food was available. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. But they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. Because town mouse has an habit. Because he always know when was opening, he should have to hide. When was in close, he should have to come out. But the country mouse was very new, so country mouse was very tired to hide. Okay, I want to go back to the country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in a peace. Country mouse said, in the country there will be only some items, but we can eat freely, but here we should have to hide from one another. Okay, so the next day the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. Okay, because country mouse was not at all adjust in the town mouse, and the town mouse is not at all adjust in the country mouse. Okay, and they will not visit each other. Okay, what is the meaning of country? Village or area are outside your towns or cities which fields or farms. Okay, we all already learned about country means it is in a village. Okay, affectionately, between town mouse and the country mouse there will be a very affectionate, like us and our grandparents, because they will also live in a villages, but we have a very affectionate them. Okay, affectionately means it is just a lovingly or showing caring feelings and love. Uncomfortable means unpleasant. Grumble means to complain about something in a bad tempered way. Dreadful, very bad and unpleasant. Now I will ask some questions to you. The town mouse and the country mouse are, what were they? Is there a friends or classmates or cousins? As it's the cousins, the town mouse and the country mouse are cousins. The house of the town mouse was, where is the house of a town mouse? It was in the cupboard. The food of the town mouse was very delicious and most delicious food. At the end of the story, the country mouse has decided to not at all come to the town, and he was only just in the country. So he went back to his country. Okay. Now there will be a true or false. You should have to tell to me. The country mouse lives in a town. The country mouse lives in a town, and it is a false. Okay. The town mouse feels very comfortable in the train. His town mouse was very comfortable in the train because it was very hot. So the town mouse was not at all comfortable in the hot. So it is also a false. It was hot when the town mouse traveled to the countryside. Yes, in the train, the town mouse was very hot. The town mouse liked to eat cooked food. Is town mouse liked to cooked food? He wants some fresh juices and fruits. There are more lights and cars and lorries in the town than in the village, and it is true, because in the town there will be so many of cars and lorries, and it is a very sound also. Okay, and just I will give you the some questions to you. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. Okay, I have already said that country is nothing but a villages. Okay, the town mouse packed his luggage, his bags. Packed means it is nothing but a luggage. Packing of her clothes to go for a trip or away from the home. Okay, the day was bright and sunny. Sunny means it is a lot of bright light from the sun, and it is very hot. He nibbled at the room and the sugar cane. I have already said nibbled means adjust. Okay, adjust means took a small quantity of means slight interest, and he was adjusting and getting a very slight interest to eat, and he slept. Who town mouse? When come to the country, he had taken just some food and he slept. The country mouse arrived in a town. Arrived means got to a place. Okay.